Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet lady sweater designs model for winter. A crochet lady sweater for winter is a warm, handcrafted sweater made using a crochet hook and yarn, specially designed to keep women comfortable and stylish during cold weather. It combines practical warmth with artistic handmade beauty. What makes a crochet lady's winter sweater special? For handcrafted warmth, crochet sweaters are usually made with thick yarn like wool, acrylic, or wool blends that trap heat and provide excellent insulation for winter. Unique designs. Unlike factory-made sweaters, crochet sweaters feature beautiful stitch patterns such as cable-style crochet, shell stitches, granny square motifs, ribbed and textured stitches. Each piece feels personal and one of a kind. Comfortable winter fit. They are designed to be cozy and breathable, slightly loose or layered friendly, suitable for wearing over tops, shirts, or thermal wear. Seasonal styles. Crochet ladies' winter sweaters come in many styles, including pullovers, cardigans, turtleneck or high-neck sweaters, oversized, cozy sweaters, long line or crop designs. Natural vintage charm. Crochet sweaters often have a vintage cottage-inspired look, making them perfect for country, rustic, and cozy winter fashion lovers. Customizable and sustainable. They can be handmade to fit perfectly, customized in color and length, and are often eco-friendly because they use long-lasting materials and solid fashion techniques. A crochet lady sweater for winter is a warm, stylish handmade garment that blends comfort, creativity, and timeless charm, perfect for staying cozy while looking elegant in cold weather. Here are more detailed and practical tips for crochet ladies' winter sweaters, perfect for cozy, stylish, and long-lasting results. Design and style tips. Choose classic winter silhouettes like oversized, relaxed fit, or long cardigans for extra warmth. Add chipped cuffs, hems, and necklines to help chop heat and give a professional finish. Use layer-friendly designs so the sweater can be worn over shirts or thermals. Try panels designs in front, back, sleeves separately for better structure and fit. Make simple stitches with pictured panels to keep the design elegant, not too busy. Yarn and material tips. Select medium to bulky weight yarn for winter coziness. Wool blends are ideal for warmth. Acrylic blends are lighter and easy to wash. Avoid very stiff yarns. They can feel uncomfortable for long wear. Use soft anti-inch yarns for neck and collar areas. Stick to neutral or earthy winter colors for a timeless look. Stitch and technique tips. Use tense stitches, have double crochet front post stitches to block cold air. Add subtle open work only as accents, not for the whole sweater. Maintain even tension to ensure a smooth polished appearance. Block the sweater after finishing to improve shape and drop. Reinforce shoulder seams to prevent stressing over time. Comfort and fit tips: slightly loose fits feel warmer and more comfortable in winter. Make sleeves a bit longer to cover wrist fully. Test the sweater while wearing a winter inner layer. Add side sleeves for movement of the sweater is long. Consider high neck or turtleneck style for extra cold protection. Decorative and finishing tips: use wooden or coconut buttons for a cozy handmade feel. Add minimal crochet edging for a neat, stylish finish. Keep decorations light to maintain comfort and warmth. Use matching or slightly darker yarn for seams for a clean look. Hand wash or gently wash to keep the sweater soft and long-lasting. Warmth and practicality tips: crochet a slightly smaller hook size to create tighter spaces that block cold air. Line the inside with soft fleece or cotton fabric for extreme winter warmth. Add double layer collars or folded cuffs for extra insulation. Use long ribbed waistband to keep warmth trapped around the body. Make sweater slightly longer in the back for better cold coverage. Style and fashion tips: blend modern cuts with vintage stitches for a timeless winter look. Try color blocking using soft winter tones for visual interest. Keep necklines modest and cozy for winter comfort. Add subtle texture around shoulders or sleeves to highlight craftsmanship. Match sweater style with winter accessories like scarves or shawls. Seasonal and comfort tips: choose breathable yarn blends to avoid overheating indoors. Avoid heavy embellishments that can pull the sweater down. Test the sweater in both indoor and outdoor setting. Add thumb holes or extended cuffs for cold climates. Design sweaters that layer well under coats. Handmade quality tips: weave in ends carefully to prevent bulkiness. Stem block, if yarn arrows for refined professional finish. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!